Alright, so first you select the course and scroll down, then you'll see the option take course. Then just click on this link, course coupon. Then you'll see enroll now button and start the course. I just close this, and if you see, I enroll the course and here the total all videos. If I go to my course, then you'll see here my all courses, and we recently enrolled these WordPress this course. Okay, so if you see the domain name, this is udemy.com. Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Udemy paid course absolutely free. And in this video I'm going to show you total 2 websites that help you to get Udemy paid course absolutely free. One is a normal website and another is coupon coupon share website. So let me show you the first thing. You just need to search this Udemy, just search in this, then you'll got like this website, and open this website. And then you'll see this website, and there are lots of course up there. Now you're thinking, this website how give us free courses? Basically, sometime the real teacher or content creator, they are give us a simple time, like they are give 5 days to enroll the course free, and they are give some coupon code. So that time these website are taking this coupon code and share with us. So if you open this website, then you'll see the lots of course up there. So how you can finding out your specific course? So if you want to finding out your specific course, you just need to click on this search option. And when you click on the search option, then you'll see the search box, and you just need to finding out which you just want to learn from Udemy. So if you want to learn WordPress, just search WordPress. Then you'll see here the category of there. So if you want to search any other thing or other category, you can easily select here. And when I search this WordPress, then I will got lots of course up there. As you can see, total 20 page of course up there, and you can easily enroll these courses. You don't need to pay them, you don't need to give them any kind of money. And one thing is, this is the top course. As you can see, this is $69, but now if you enroll this course, it's now only $0. And if you when you enroll this course, obviously try to see this date, because if you see this there is old course, so I'm not recommend you to use or enroll this old course. Try to use or see or enroll the latest version course. Okay, so as you can see, this is the latest version, like 7 September, and here the 7th September, here the 6th September. So you can use this course. Okay, so if you want to enroll this course, just simply click on this course and open a new tab. And then you will see like these type of pages, and here some description about your course, and just click on this take course button. And when you click on this take course button, then you'll see there this course coupon not available. But if you see here, this already attached in a coupon. So if I click on this course URL, then you will see automatically redirect to on this page. And as you can see, this is now free, but in when the 22 hour left, then it will be automatically again like a premium course. So they are give us some time, not all time. They are giving some days, like 5 days or 2 days, something like this. Okay, so now as you can see, if you see here, as you can see, we are applied this coupon code. Now as you can see, this already applied. And if I click on this add to cart button, okay, so this is our added our card. So if I go to this card, then we can check out this. It's now free, so click on this checkout button. So I just click on this enroll now button, because as you can see, we're enrolling this, and start course. Alright, so we are getting this course, and we are now can learn about this course. Okay, so if I go back my Udemy account, then I'm just showing you. If I click on this my course, then hover my course, then you'll see I've already taken four course from this Udemy website. And if I go to this Gmail, my Gmail, then you'll see I got an email something. Somehow, okay, so I just got some mail. I already enrolled it, and here he just sent me a message, Congratulations messages. And I hope guys you understand about like this Udemy. So now let me show you another website. Its name is Real Discount. So let me search here the Real Discount and click on this, open this website. This website also give us like free courses. Okay, so just cancel, I don't need this. And here just click on this new course button, and then you'll see the recently added Udemy course. So when you're finding out any specific course, you can easily search here like WordPress. I'm just finding out WordPress course because I love WordPress, that's why. Okay, so as you can see here, this course is expired. That means this course in 3 days ago, but this is now expired. And here as you can see another courses up there, and this is still up now activated, and you can easily access this code if you want to learn. And here there's some other courses up there, lots of courses up there, so you can easily learn from Udemy, and you can easily get the coupon code also from like this Real Discount website. Okay, so guys, I hope you understand about like this Udemy and Real Discount, and they're not giving you a finance course. This is our original and legal way to get free courses. They are just collecting this coupon and give us in one website, so we are getting the courses free. So I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, just click on this like button. And if you're new here in my channel, so please consider and subscribe, and tell me about your opinion in my video. Okay, thank you.